We know how frustrating it is to chase payments or miss out on extra income from your shoots. That's why we built these two payment features to make your life a lot easier. 1. Balance collection. If a client hasn't paid your balance, this is the feature you need. It ensures your clients pays you your balance before they can download their photos or videos. 2. Pay per picture. This is for selling extra photos from the photo shoot after delivering the main package. Clients pick their favorite photos, pay for each photo, and you make more money. Here's how to use both features. To collect your balance payment, you simply upload the photos or videos you've shot, set the balance amount, add your payment instructions, and send the generated link to your client. Your client pays, you confirm from your preferred payment method, and click the I confirm button on OurPixo. Once you do this, your client gains access to all the files. It's that simple. Now, to sell extra photos with pay per picture, check the box should clients pay per picture, set a price for each picture and the minimum amount, which ensures clients buy a set number of pictures. Then click the get link button. Now, clients can buy extra photos from the photo shoot. That's it. No more mix-up, no more chasing payments. A very important tip. If you want to collect your balance payments, do not check the box that says, should clients pay per picture? This feature should only be used if you want to sell extra photos from a photo shoot to your client. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you take your photography business to the next level with OurPixo.